Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Ito po ay Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, I post Women's Day celebration tungkol sa awit and Star Wars winners. But subscribe na sa our YouTube channel. Gusto pag-like, shares, comments, and views. Abuti ng 500 subscribers. If support natin sa ating social media ka. Ang ating latest vlog, 317, episode 317, title, Awit and Stars Female Record Artists Combine Winners. Here's your vlog. Okay, paranin natin at simulan natin. Anong pong yan nagsimula ang Awit Awards? Okay, kasi ang Awit Awards ay nagsimula 60s. Alam ko kung bakit 60s nagsimula. According to, pari na lang. Ang Awit Awards ay hindi lang po para sa mga singers na foreign, local man or foreign, kung panalanan ng pari kung sino yung nanalong record, song, and album of the year. Dito naman sa Female Recording Artist Winners, ay 23 winners. Yan ang pinakaunang nanalong Female Recording Artist of the Year or Best Performances by a Female Recording Artist is noong 1989. The one and only Miss Sasha Padilla para sa kantang Maybe This Time. Hindi yung Michael Mulupir Sarah Gia. Maybe This Time, yung original kanta. Mula sa album noong 1980. Tapos nakaroon ng album or yung cover by Morissette, pero hindi yung sa actual version, but in the cover live version. And the most wins sa Awit Awards Best Performances by a Female Recording Artist, I see 23 winners. Isa lang ang pinaka-most wins, Miss Lani Misalucha. Miss Lani Misalucha won Best Performance by a Female Recording Artist are Tunay na Mahal, 2099, Can't Live Without You, 2000, Malaya Ka Na, 2004, and I Live For Your Love, a cover of Natalie Cole. Yes, Natalie Cole, 2007. Yung sa Can't Live Without You, yan yung song entry sa Metro Pop Song Festival 1999. O diba? Yung Tunay na Mahal, yan yung theme ng teleserye ni Lobby Paul, kinover by Chaya for Yesterday's Flight of 2012. And now, here are the combined winners from Awit Awards and Star Wars for music para sa Female Recording Artist category. Let's start with yung 4 wins, pero hinahati kasi sa Awit and Star Awards. Ito. Una dyan si Moira de la Torre. Sa Awit Awards, nanalong Best Performances by Female Recording Artist pa sa kantang Titigo para sa nanalong Kimi Handong 2020 Grand Champion Songwriting Competition ito. Ayan. Ang Titigo ay composed by Liberty. Hindi ko alam yung last name. But from Caloocan City po siya. Moira de la Torre is a songwriting, singer-songwriter, and siya yung sumulat sa mga kanta. And Moira won PNPC Star Wars for Music Female Recording Artist of the Year. Sorry. Para sa kantang Malaya 2018. 2019, ang puputi na ang puputo. And Paubayan 2021. As I released on 2020. Our top 3, si Regine Balas Alcázar sa Awit Awards, nanalong Best Performance by a Female Recording Artist. Ay, wow, sana maulit muli a cover of Larry B's original noong 1994 para sa Recent Enough album. And Kailangan Ko Ikaw, theme song ng pelikula noong 2000. With Robin Padilla. sa Star Wars Loki album and I Am Beautiful ng 2009 and 2020 respectively. Ang top 2 with 5 wins, 3 from Awit Awards and 2 Star Wars for music I sing Aiza, they were now Ice Sierra. Aiza Open Arms album and song. And Ice Sierra's one for With a Smile in 2013 beats Sarah Geronimo's Tao. Yung With a Smile, yan yung theme song ng pelikulang The Reunion, yung Eraserheads. And the most wins si Sarah Geronimo. Una sa Awit Awards, 2 lang siya. 2019, isa pang araw sa pelikula Miss Granny noong 2018 at dati-dati kay Sarah G 2023 Awit Award Best Performances by Female Recording Artist. I mean, ito yung last nanalong Female Recording Artist. Bago nangyari sa bagong roles ng Awit Awards ay magiging Best Performances by a Solo Artist. Hindi na male, hindi na female recording artist, kundi kumbine na siya ng male and female sa solo artist. Ito rin yung last winner for female record artist sa Awit. For Dati rated 2020. And for Star Wars are ito. Wow. Music and Me 2010. One Heart 2011. Pure 2013. Expression and Perfectly Imperfect 2014-2015, and finally, ang most recent wins is Habang Buhay in 2024. Ayan po! That's it for our winners sa Awit Awards and Star Wars for Music for Female Recording Artists. Sana mag-enjoy sa ating latest vlog. And hope you enjoy para sa ating latest vlog. And see you sa Awit Awards 2025 this year. Coming soon. Salamat sa panonood. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.